Kitten Who Cried Dog, written by Charlotte Guillen, illustrated by Dawn Beacon. Characters: Kitten, the villagers, a little lamb, a fluffy bunny, a naughty dog. Once upon a time, there was a village full of cats. The villagers had a fine collection of toys, but they were worried about a naughty dog who lived nearby. The naughty dog wanted to steal their toys. The villagers decided it would be one kitten's job to guard the toys. "Keep a close eye on the toys," they told him. "If the dog comes to steal them, cry out, 'Dog!' as loudly as you can." At first, the kitten felt very important, but after a while, he began to feel bored. His job was not much fun. The bored kitten decided to trick the other villagers. When a little lamb ran near the toys, the kitten cried out, "Dog! Dog!" All the villagers ran to the kitten as quickly as they could. When they reached him, they were very angry. They told the kitten not to shout out again unless the naughty dog really did come near. So the kitten went back to guarding the toys, but after a while, he became bored again. When a fluffy bunny hopped near the toys, once again he shouted, "Dog! Dog!" Once again, the villagers all ran to help the kitten. When they saw the dog was not there, they were furious. The villagers left the kitten to guard the toys once more. When the kitten was all alone, the naughty dog suddenly ran up to him. The kitten was terrified. He shouted out, "Dog! Dog!" But this time nobody came. The naughty dog ran away with all of the toys. The kitten went to find the villagers and told them the dog had stolen the toys. "We didn't come because you lied to us before," they meowed. The kitten had to work hard for a very long time before he could buy new toys for all the villagers. The end.